Hello and welcome to the first video in this tutorial for creating an ASP.NET e-commerce application. Your host Amar Sawalha, the creator of this tutorial. I welcome you to this tutorial, and as you can see I have created right here the entity diagram for the application and what it will contain. Now if you going to create a new program or a new project, you need to first do some planning before you go ahead and start with your project, so you have a clear pictures, and this picture it will help you while working with your code. Now with this free tutorial or course on YouTube, you will be able to create an ASP.NET MVC application with e-commerce. Let's say like it will be an e-commerce application where it will allow you to have an e-commerce application built on ASP.NET Core. And if you want to have it as a project, side project, if you want to sell it, and so on. This course is totally free on YouTube. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also please share this video with whose you think that they might be interested in such topic. Now also please go to the description, check out our courses on Udemy, and also please sign up for our mailing list. Now let's start with the following entities that we have here in front of us. First entity is for sure the user, since when we want to have the ability of log in and log out for the users inside the application. Now notice we have this information about the user. We have its email, we have its password, and we have the creation date. Now this class and each class you see here will have a database table representing it. Now let me caution you that this training course will be play by play, so you will see me coding, doing everything in front of you, so you can earn experience and work with the ASP.NET Core freely. Now also we will have the item entity. The item entity represent the items that you will find in any e-commerce store. This item will have its title, its description, creation date, and when it has been created. Now also we have the order. Now each user that come to your site for sure wanna purchase some item and make an order. So to maintain this information, which is having the user creating an order, we will have the order entity, which has the user ID and the total. Now we also have the order items. The order items is many-to-many relationship connection table. Now what we mean by that? If you notice, it has a foreign key of the order ID and the item ID. Now each order will have here like the order ID, and also will have the item ID. So let's say that I have made an order, and this order will have this item or many items inside it. Best way to store them is using this many-to-many table relationship. Now I would like to duplicate this and add a really important field which represents the quantity for this order. So let's say that I have made an item order of item X, and I made 3 items of a quantity for this order. Now also, if you notice here, finally I have the stock. The stock control will be used to control the item, if you notice. And like, let's say that I only have 10 item of item X. So I will come down to the stock and have defined the item ID and the quantity, and make sure that I don't go over my stock. So these are the main entities that we will be walking through throughout the tutorial. Now again, all the source code and all the scripts and all the database tables will be available for you to download. Make sure you check the description. And I hope you enjoy the first tutorial. This is the entire thing that we'll be creating. In the next lecture, we will work play by play and see how we can reflect or create first thing first the project, then reflect these entities to our database. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also check out the description for discounts on the online courses. And don't skip, go to the next video and continue with us with this tutorial. Thank you.